Today I have a really quick eyebrow tutorial for you. Many of you have asked me how I get my eyebrows to look full, especially after I trim them. So per your request, here is the tutorial and the products. I know that many of you who are watching this video right now, I have either done your eyebrows or you know somebody whose eyebrows I have done before or at some point in my life. If you found this video helpful, please make sure to share it on your social media platforms, your Facebook, your Instagram, your Twitter, wherever it is that you like to share videos. Please share this video. It really means a lot to me when you do that. What are your favorite ways to fill in your eyebrows? Comment and let me know in the comment section below this video. The E.L.F. Instant Lift Brow Pencil, the dual-ended one. This is $2. Got the one in neutral brown. I would highly recommend this E.L.F. brow pencil. So far, it's been going really well. The color matches me really well. It's the cheapest I've found that works really well. And then I like to pair it with this Almay brow styler. This is in the shade medium brown. I got this recommendation from Emily Noel and I absolutely love her recommendations. This has an incredibly thin spoolie, but it does have a lot of product when you first open it. So I would recommend, like, you'll see on one of my eyebrows that I got a little bit too carried away with this product. Once it dries down, you can brush it with a spoolie and you'll see more of a separation happening with it. Still holds your brows in place. I think these two products are really simple, really inexpensive. This is under $10. You can do your eyebrows and I think that's awesome. What kind of products do you like to use for your eyebrows? I know that at first I used an eyeshadow to fill in my brows and then I switched over to a pencil, then I switched over to one of those Anastasia things. I have tried the pomades. I do like the pomades when I'm going to be doing more physical activity. The other thing that I've been loving a lot is this 3-in-1 type of product too. This is by Julep, but this is $16. Actually, this is cheaper and I would continue to use this if you have this. But if you want to just have one product that you want to carry with you because of the convenience of having one product, I think this is really amazing. Those are my eyebrow recommendations. Please make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel. Please make sure to ring the notification bell so every time I upload, you get a notification from YouTube that I have uploaded. I really appreciate it when you do that. Thank you so much. Take care. I hope you have a wonderful day and I hope that you be your best self. Bye.